If you're paying off your debts starting with the smallest balance first, you are doing it wrong. I know that's what most people do. I know it feels good to eliminate a small debt quickly, but that feeling of progress is costing you potentially thousands of dollars in extra interest and months, sometimes years, of extra time in debt. There is a mathematically proven method that destroys debt faster and saves you more money. It's called the Avalanche Method, and in the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to use it, starting today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why most people's debt payoff strategy costs them more, what the Avalanche Method is, and why it wins mathematically, how it compares to the popular Snowball Method, and the exact step-by-step plan to start destroying your debt this week. Let's get into it. Most people have been told to pay off their smallest debt first, clear the little ones, build momentum, feel good, keep going. This is called the Snowball Method, and while it has psychological benefits, it has one massive flaw. It ignores interest rates entirely. Here's why that matters. Let's say you have 3 debts: a $500 credit card at 8% interest, a $3,000 car loan at 12% interest, and a $6,000 credit card at 24% interest. The Snowball Method tells you to attack the $500 card first because it's the smallest. Fine, you clear it quickly. But while you're doing that, your $6,000 balance at 24% interest is growing every single month. High interest debt is the enemy. The longer you leave it, the more it costs you. Every month you don't attack the highest rate first is a month that debt is quietly draining your future wealth. The Avalanche Method is simple. You attack your highest interest rate debt first, regardless of balance size. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1, list all your debts. Write down every debt you have: credit cards, loans, overdrafts. Next to each one, write the balance and the interest rate. Step 2, make minimum payments on everything. Every month, pay the minimum required payment on every single debt. This keeps you in good standing and stops late fees. Step 3, attack the highest rate debt with everything extra. Whatever money you have left after minimum payments, every spare pound or dollar, goes onto the debt with the highest interest rate, aggressively, every month. Step 4, when that debt is gone, roll over. The moment you clear your highest rate debt, take every pound you were putting on it, including what you were paying as a minimum, and roll that entire amount onto the next highest rate debt. This is the avalanche effect. Your payments grow, your debt shrinks faster and faster. Repeat until every debt is gone. Let me show you the difference in real numbers. Same person, same debts, same $500 per month to pay them off. 2 different methods. With the Snowball Method, debt-free in 4 years and 2 months, and they pay $3,450 in total interest. With the Avalanche Method, debt-free in 3 years and 9 months, and they pay only $2,180 in total interest. That's $1,270 saved in 5 months faster. Now imagine that $1,270 invested instead. At the market's average 10% return, in 20 years that becomes over $8,500. The method you choose to pay off debt doesn't just affect how fast you get out of debt, it affects how much wealth you build for the rest of your life. Here's your action plan. Do this today or this weekend while it's fresh. Action 1, write the list. Get a piece of paper or open your notes app. List every debt you have, its balance and its interest rate. Include everything: credit cards, student loans, car loans, personal loans, buy now, pay later balances, everything. Action 2, rank by interest rate. Order your list from highest interest rate at the top to lowest at the bottom. That order is your attack sequence. Action 3, find your extra money, look at your monthly budget. Where can you find an extra $50, $100, $200? Cancel one subscription. Cook at home twice more per week. Sell something you don't use. Every extra pound matters. Action 4, automate the attack. Set up an automatic extra payment to your highest rate debt every payday. Make it automatic so you never have to decide. It just happens. And here is the mindset shift that makes this sustainable. Every time you make a payment, no matter how small, you are one step closer to the day that every pound you earn is entirely yours. That day is coming. The avalanche gets you there faster. Debt is not a life sentence. It is a temporary obstacle. And with the right strategy, it is one you can destroy faster than you think. The Avalanche Method is not complicated. It doesn't require a high income. It doesn't require a financial advisor. It requires a list, a decision, and the discipline to execute every single month. Make the list this weekend. Start the avalanche. If this video helped you, hit like, drop a comment telling me your highest interest rate debt, and subscribe for a new money strategy every single week. Because next week we're talking about the 7 things you need to do with your money before you turn 30. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Your money, your future, your rise.